If you're serious about making money online, there are several common mistakes that can significantly hinder your progress. Whether you're just starting out or you're already trying to scale your online income, these mistakes can stunt your growth and prevent you from reaching your full potential. Today, we're going to talk about 5 major mistakes people make when it comes to earning money online. These are mistakes that can affect anyone, regardless of their experience level, and can be easily avoided with the right approach. If you're ready to boost your online income, let's dive in. First, one of the most damaging mistakes people make when trying to earn money online is not niching down. In an age where there are countless ways to earn money, it can feel tempting to cast a wide net and try to appeal to as many people as possible. However, this approach often leads to scattered efforts and a diluted message that fails to connect with anyone in particular. Instead of trying to be everything to everyone, focus on finding a specific niche where you can position yourself as an expert or thought leader. This allows you to attract a more engaged and loyal audience, which ultimately increases your chances of success. Think about it this way. When you narrow your focus to a specific niche, you're able to cater directly to the needs of a well-defined audience. You're able to create more tailored content and products that speak directly to them, making it easier to build trust and convert your audience into paying customers. Niching down doesn't mean that you can't diversify later, but focusing on a niche initially allows you to build a strong foundation that you can expand upon as your business grows. Coming at number 4, we have the mistake of not building an email list. It might seem like an outdated concept, but email marketing is still one of the most powerful tools you can use to grow your online business. Social media platforms may come and go, and algorithms may change, but your email list is a direct line to your audience that you control. If you're relying solely on social media platforms to communicate with your audience, you're leaving your business at the mercy of someone else's platform. It's essential to build an email list so that you have direct access to your audience without worrying about external factors like algorithm changes. An email list gives you the ability to nurture relationships with your audience over time. When someone subscribes to your email list, they're essentially raising their hand and saying, "I'm interested in what you have to offer." From there, you can build trust by sending valuable content, special offers, and personalized communication. By the time you present them with a product or service, they're much more likely to buy. Without an email list, you're missing out on one of the most effective ways to build a profitable online business. Next up, coming at number 3, we have the mistake of not having a clear value proposition. This is where many online entrepreneurs go wrong. They get caught up in creating products, services, or content without ever stopping to think about why someone would want to buy it. If you don't clearly define the value you're offering to your audience, you risk wasting time and effort on things that won't resonate with potential customers. Without a strong value proposition, you're also making it harder for your audience to understand what sets you apart from the competition. A value proposition is a clear statement that explains how your product or service solves a problem or improves a situation for your target audience. It's about showing them what they stand to gain from working with you or purchasing your product. This needs to be evident in every piece of content or marketing you put out. Without a clear value proposition, your audience won't be compelled to take action, and your conversion rates will suffer. So, before you create anything, make sure you're crystal clear about the value you're providing and how it benefits your audience. Having a strong value proposition can make all the difference in converting leads into loyal customers. At number 2, we have failing to optimize for scalability. Many online entrepreneurs get stuck in the hustle of day-to-day work, focusing on the small tasks and not thinking big picture. While it's important to take care of the details, it's equally important to set up your business in a way that allows for scalability. If you don't think about scalability from the start, you'll find yourself stuck in a cycle of constantly trading time for money, which limits your income potential. Scalability refers to the ability of your business to grow without being hindered by its structure or available resources. For example, digital products like ebooks, online courses, and software are infinitely scalable because once you create them, you can sell them over and over without having to do the work repeatedly. On the other hand, services like consulting or freelance work can be difficult to scale because you're limited by the number of hours you can work. To build a business that can scale, consider automating as much as possible, using systems and processes that allow you to handle increased demand without needing to add a lot more labor. And finally, the number one mistake that kills your online income potential is not investing in yourself. This is something that many entrepreneurs overlook, but it's absolutely critical to your success. If you want to make serious money online, you need to continuously invest in your knowledge, skills, and personal development. This means taking courses, attending webinars, reading books, and constantly seeking ways to improve your business acumen. Many online entrepreneurs make the mistake of thinking they can do everything on their own. But the truth is, success rarely happens in isolation. Investing in yourself is not just about learning new skills, it's also about improving your mindset. The world of online business can be unpredictable, and there will be times when you face challenges or setbacks. Having the right mindset can help you persevere through tough times and stay focused on your long-term goals. By investing in your education, whether through formal training or self-directed learning, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and grow your online income in a sustainable way. Now that we've covered the biggest mistakes that kill your online income potential, let's talk about how you can fix them and start seeing better results in your online business. First, focus on niching down and becoming an expert in a specific area. This will allow you to build a loyal following and create content and products that truly resonate with your audience. Second, start building an email list so you can communicate directly with your audience, nurture relationships, and convert them into paying customers. Third, make sure your value proposition is clear and obvious in everything you do. Let your audience know exactly what benefits they will get from working with you. Fourth, think about scalability and set up your business in a way that allows for growth without needing to trade hours for dollars. And finally, never stop investing in yourself. Constantly seek out new knowledge and skills to stay ahead of the curve and overcome challenges along the way. By implementing these strategies and avoiding the mistakes we discussed today, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your online income potential. Online business can be a great way to build financial freedom, but it requires consistency, focus, and the willingness to learn from your mistakes. So, start making these changes today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your income grows. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on growing your online income. We've got plenty of content coming your way, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.